So in week number 3, okay, you're continuing to do week number 1 plus week number 2. Okay, so then this you add on top of it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna add in week 3. Okay, so you're gonna add wallet cards. You're like, Ivan, what's wallet cards? Well, wallet cards, actually, let me show you the wallet cards so you know what it is. Wallet cards are basically small cards that you write on, that you carry in your wallet, okay, which have messages on it that remind your mind what you need to do, okay, in terms of specific goals, or they have messages to calm you down when you're over reacting, okay. And you wanna read these cards 1 to 4 times a day. I would say 3 times is the ideal, but minimum 1, okay. But 3 times is the ideal number. And I'm gonna show you what you can do if you use a washroom, because most of the time it's accessible to you, and there is a procedure you can do to really calm yourself down, and then use the cards to basically redirect your mind. Okay, so let me show you the cards. So there's my wallet. Okay, and inside you see the zipper compartment. You'll see that I have these cards. Okay, so I'm going to show you what they are and how they look like. So you can see here, I have only 3 right now. I used to have more. You can write whatever you want. So this one says meditative goal, focus, stay through the day, don't fluctuate. So the reason I'm showing you this is because this message it helps me to relax. Okay, so this message helps me to relax. So when you write something for you, it has to relax you. So then the second one that I have is a popular quote. It's called Be Willing to Have It So. Be Willing to Have It So by Professor William Jones. Okay, and what happens is when I read this one, it calms me down. Okay, and then this is another quote. I forgot who actually. There is a bigger quote, and this is a portion of that quote, and it says, "Today is our only possession. Today is our only possession." So, and then the last one is actually has to do with an activity which I will be doing after work. I also be doing it in the morning and the weekends, but this has to do with messaging people on Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay, so both are 25. So what happens is, okay, what happens with these cards is I'll show you how to make them. Okay, I'll give you the template and you can actually make ones that you want for yourself. So you keep them in your wallet, okay, and you use them when you need to. Now I'm gonna show you guys an example right now that you can use with the washroom. So let's say that you have severe. Now these cards are mostly for severe overreactions, or they're used to redirect your mind so that you don't fly in different directions. Okay, so the really good use of this is when you're overreacting. And what you can do is you can go to the washroom. So go to the washroom and go inside the stall. Okay, and when you go inside the stall, okay, actually before that, when you go in the washroom, the first thing you want to do, okay, is you want to come to the sink and you want to put cold water on, and you want to wash your face with cold water for about 1 minute and don't stop. I know it's gonna get red, but do it, because it's gonna what's gonna happen is gonna increase the blood flow, but at the same time it's gonna just distract your mind from thoughts, actually, because it's gonna be a physical sensation. So you wanna do a cold water, okay, and then you want to find an empty stall. So walk into the empty stall, and then you want to take out your wallet cards and you want to put the lid down and sit down on top of the toilet. Okay, so you want to take your cards out, okay, and then you're sitting there. Now you can do this out loud if you want, if there's nobody in the washroom, or you can just do it, silently in your head, and you just basically start reading these cards. Okay, so you say, today is our only possession. today is our only possession. And then you change the card. Okay, meditative goal, focus state through the day, don't fluctuate. Meditative goal, focus state through the day, don't fluctuate. Be willing to have it so. Be willing to have it so. Message 25 Facebook, message 25 LinkedIn, after work and weekends. So 25 Facebook messages, 25 LinkedIn messages after work on the weekend. Today is our only possession. So you get the point here. Okay, now what you're doing is you're actually redirecting your mind into a different direction so that you're not worrying about other stuff by using this repeating sequence. Now at the same time, while you're still in the stall, okay, what you want to do is you want to take your hands, okay, and imagine that this is a stall. You want to come and you want to put your hands, okay, on the stall, and then you want to breathe, okay. So imagine that you put your hands on the stall, okay, and you want to breathe, and you want to inhale 1, 2, 3, and you want to exhale 4, 5, 6. So you're standing there, okay, and you're going in your mind. You're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going longer breath. Okay, so you're counting in your mind. So it's gonna appear like this. Okay, so what you're actually going to be doing, you're actually going to be calming yourself down, okay, by this exercise. And do this for 10 times while you're still in the stall. And then if you want, you can repeat the wallet sequence reading, okay, if you want that. You'll feel if you need more. And then you can just get up, walk out, and go do what you need to do at work or wherever you are in terms of location.